guys tell me what the definition of an offline root CA is? I'll help you. An offline root CA means you go through this huge process, highly secure, to stand up a root signing certificate authority. Okay? But offline means it's not online. So you set it up, you do all this work, and then you turn it off. Well, what if it's a virtual machine on your virtual environment and it happens to be off for greater than 3 months? And you decide to clean up your virtual environment. Customer says, oh, let's clean this up. Boom, deleted their PKI. They don't have the ability to do anything else. It was in a bad state. So basically, this customer called in a panic. We're kind of screwed. I know it's not your fault, but Venafi, can you help us? It's the same as if there was a breach of a certificate authority. Like we talk about certificate versatility, being able to be agile and move and switch. That's exactly what this scenario was made for. Think of it as our CA was hacked. We need a new CA right now. I think they worked around the clock 3 days to stand up a new MSCA server and do all of that work. But because the way Venafi is, all you have to do in Venafi is point it to the new CA. So all their inventory they were managing in Venafi, they pointed to the new CA, say go, brr, we make new certs, and push them out. So it went from probably a couple months of rough work, including people losing jobs, to 3 days of our Venafi admin being the hero.